I'm going to try to clean this grease trap. This is my first time to clean this after installation. This is my first time to open this. Now, I really don't know how. But then there are 7 steps to clean this. And they recommend once every week. Unlock, use a cup, tilt, lift, side, remove basket. What? I hope I can do this. Here we go. Gonna use plastic gloves. Okay, let's just try to open it first. Are you guys ready? Ta-da! Oh man! You see those things inside? Oh! So that's what we're going to clean now. But how? Oh man, this is the trap. Okay. Stinks. Stinks. So I guess these 2 microwave oven safe containers will be my apparatus. Unlock, unclip, and then blah blah blah. Pull the basket inside the trap, you will see a layer of grease. Okay, that's not just a layer, right? Step 2, use a cup or ladle to scoop the top waste layer. Okay, I need a cup or something, but I only have this. Okay, let's try. Okay. Oh, that's the layer. Okay. Oh, I need a smaller cup. Okay, so there's actually a layer of grease on top, which we really need to scoop out. Okay, it's disgusting, I know, but we gotta do this. We gotta do this. Here we go. How are we supposed to get those? Okay. So what to do now? Actually, I want to see what happens when I how do I clean this thing all the time? Thank you, my installers. They included this ply inside. Thank you so much. That's so sweet. Alright, the smell is actually quite manageable. Or my nose has gone numb because I've been exposed to this smell. This grease trap of a typical Korean household, alright? Oh man, how am I going to do this every week? I cannot say it's not filthy. It is filthy. But they come from my food waste. The grease from all the cooking. Why might even want to suggest that we don't cook anymore. So guys, this is what I got. Typical Korean household. Okay, we're just 2 here. Considering that it's my first time to clean this in probably 3 weeks. It's not so bad. Leave a comment below if you know there's something I'm not doing right. I've not seen this ever in my life. Actually, this is a good thing to save the environment. So I gotta do this. Lid on, buckle, lock, and lock. Voila! That's it. Thank you for watching. If you have done this before and you have some tips and tricks under your sleeves, please leave a comment. Please tell me how I can do it better or even change the method. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that remind button or the alert button, the bell. Thank you folks. Bye bye.